still working, we still hustling. I got packages going out. But first, we're going to do a Facebook Marketplace deal today on these speakers right there. I think I paid $5 or $6 for the pair and selling them for 20. So not a great profit, but keeps me from having to pay to ship them and worry about a return. So I sold them locally. Facebook Marketplace, we getting this money. Then we go into the FedEx place and then on to the post office. I don't know if we'll do any sourcing today because yesterday we bought probably 50 or 60 items. So we got a lot of listing to do. So we're going to be listing. Stay tuned. Let's go. That was quick. He popped up. He was here waiting on me. So we got that deal done, made that $20. Now we're about to drop off these packages at the FedEx place. Let's go. One more time, got our packages dropped off at the post office. I try to get them out as early as possible so that they get there as soon as possible. We at the Goodwill, we're gonna make a quick speed run through here just to make sure we're not missing out on any new items that might be home runs. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. The hustle never stops. Nothing in there worth getting. I cleaned them out yesterday and got everything that was worth getting. They hadn't put out anything new, so we're not buying anything. We got plenty of stuff to list. I've actually sold a couple more since I've been out running around, so I got to get home, pack up a couple more, and then get those to the post office before 4 o'clock. So we working, the hustle continues. I appreciate you watching.
What up? We back at it. I've already actually been to the post office once today because I had a FedEx that had to go out early, and then I just went ahead and went to the post office and got those babies dropped off. But in the meantime, I sold 3 since this morning, and they're kind of big items, but they were cheaper to either go parcel select or priority rather than FedEx. So we're headed to the post office. We're going to drop these babies off. I don't know what I'll do or what I'll talk about after this, but I wanted to get a video in today, so y'all stay tuned. We hustling. It's TeamCermakTV. You know the deal. Let's get it. Ship fast. You see it. You better believe it. We're trying to get stuff out same day, even though our handling time is set to 1 day. And also, I shipped some of that stuff parcel select, which is slower than first class, even though that stuff was supposed to go first class. But I think by getting it out a day early, it'll get there in about the same time that it normally would if I did ship it first class. So just trying to keep our customers happy, and the quicker they get the item, the happier they are. So under promise, over deliver, and everything will be good. Keep that feedback high, keep them customers happy. Let's go. TeamCermakTV, we got packages going out. I am in my brother's truck. I got the dog in the back. We got to make these drops, and then we're going to pick up a go-kart. I bought some speakers from the Goodwill for like $9 and put them on Facebook Marketplace, and I've got an offer to trade for a go-kart and a weight bench for something that I paid $9 for. So I'm gonna get the go-kart. Maybe we can fix it up and let my kids ride it or something. So y'all stay tuned. We hustling. It's been a crazy day. Earlier this morning, I sold a dryer that I got for free from a buddy of mine for $75. So we working. Let's go. It never stops. Bullet. Paying no attention to me. Buck. Alright, now that we got them babies dropped off, we're gonna go get this go-kart. Let's get it. Alright, we're here at the place with the speakers. They went in to test them out, so hopefully they test good. And it'll be a sale. The go-kart's right back there. We'll try to get that in the back of the truck, so y'all stay tuned. Hopefully it works out. Let's go! We cutting it close today. Y'all see it. It's almost 4 o'clock. We trying to get to the post office as quick as possible. I got packages that gotta go out. I actually forgot that they were in the other truck, so we in a rush. Alright, we back good. Got them to the post office in time. Picked up a few more flat rate envelopes because I go through them pretty quick. Ooh, we got a bunch of construction here. I don't need to hit this bump too hard. Alright. So anyway, I got plenty of stuff to list. Got plenty of stuff to do. I don't know what else is going on, folks. Just another day, another hustle. We trying to make that money. Let's get it. Stay tuned. There she is, my brand new go-kart. Well, it's not brand new, it's got bad problems. I got a bucket full of parts. We're gonna have to put it back together. Try to get it running, but should be a fun little project. I've got the weight bench that I got on the speaker deal already listed on Facebook Marketplace for like 15 bucks. So I'm trying to get rid of it quick, get it out of the shop, get my money back. That way I got the go-kart for free and we're good. So it's been a wild day. Sold a washing machine, a dryer first thing this morning that I got for free, made $75 there. Did this little deal, which I don't know how it's going to turn out. But we sold some kind of water pump on eBay for like $400 and I paid 50 bucks for it. So as far as how this weekend's starting out, folks are spending money, so I'm happy with it. The hustle will continue, it never stops. I told y'all the go-kart we got yesterday, Facebook Marketplace. Sold it to this man right here today. He's a hustler too, so we out here talking money, baby. That's what's up. The weight bench went too. Do you believe that? Yeah. It's gone. Y'all stay tuned. The hustle never stops. Got FedEx dropped off. Now we're at the post office. Gonna get these babies dropped off, and we on the road to the next. Alright, we here at the first Goodwill. I'm gonna run in here and see what they got. But before I ran in, I came around to the donation part of it and donated one item. That way I get 10% off when I go in to buy my stuff today. You gotta get that money any way you can. Let's go.
Hooked it up one more time. We was buying the 99-cent shoes. Ended up getting about 15 pairs of shoes and about 5 or 6 purses, I think. Ended up spending $27, so that's not too bad. I got my point on my Goodwill rewards card, and I also used the 10% off coupon that I got for donating something before I went into Goodwill. And I actually talked to the girl, and she took my 10% off and didn't even take the coupon. So I'm going to use that coupon again to get 10% more off at the next Goodwill. It's just another day. We out here, we working. Let's get it. We got to make this money.
Also found a Dooney and Bork handbag, a purse, so keep an eye out for that brand. They sell pretty good. So we are at the wholesalers now. We got to pick up some parts. I've got an envelope or two here that I got to get some items in them, get to the post office before 5 o'clock. So just another Monday. I also got to get gas. I'm almost out. So anyhow, I appreciate you watching. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the deal.